Hi, we'll be making a low-cost vegetarian filling lunch that costs almost nothing. Let's start with cheesy bean quesadilla. The ingredients: tortilla, 1/2 cup canned beans, grated cheese, salsa, which is optional. It's crispy, cheesy, and will be ready in minutes. Here we go. First, spread the beans on a tortilla, tease, and fold, then toast in a pan until golden. The final result: melty, crispy, comfort food. Next, we'll make veggie pasta salad. The ingredients are cooked pasta, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, and lemon juice. It's a refreshing lunch you can prep ahead. First of all, 1. Chop vegetables. 2. Toss with pasta. 3. Add oil, lemon, and salt. Final result: fresh, tangy, and perfect for busy work days. Next, sweet potato and black bean bowl. The ingredient: 1 sweet potato mini-zone, 1/2 cup black beans, spices, and yogurt or sauce. This bowl is nutritious and super filling. Now then, roast cubed sweet potato, warm beans with spices. Assemble bowl and drizzle sauce. The result is a sweet, smoky, packed energy. Work lunch. Now for egg and veg muffin cups. Check out these ingredients for eggs, spinach or veggies, cheese, salt, and pepper. This is a perfect grab-and-go lunch. Here's how to do it. Whisk eggs with seasoning. Add veggies and cheese, then bake in a muffin tin for 15 minutes. Final result are you'll have a portable, protein-rich, and meal prep golden tasty lunch. Now, for the last work lunch special, we'll be making hummus and roasted veg wrap. Check out the final ingredients: tortilla, hummus, roasted vegetables, and lettuce. These 3 are simple ingredients, but with big flavors. Here's how to do it. Spread the hummus on the wrap. Add roasted veggies and lettuce. Then, roll tightly. The final result are a creamy, crunchy, and super satisfying work lunch. Like, subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.